There's David on the jet ski. He's coming in. Come on, David. Come on in. There he is. Oh, these girls are in the way. Bugger. Where did he go now? There he is. This is really quite choppy out there today, so yeah. I drove it, and then David drove it most of the time. He does quite well on it, even in this choppy water. Does really well. There he is. There's my boy. Turn the key off.